Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to collect and parse all of the real estate email notifications from your Gmail inbox to a Google Sheet with the help of cloudHQ's Export Emails to Excel, CSV, or Google Sheets. To get the email parser started, you'll need to go to chrome.google.com to download Export Emails to Google Sheets by cloudHQ. Now that it's installed and I'm back in my inbox, all I have to do is click the new Start Export to Google Sheets wizard button right here to get started. This will open up our wizard options. To find and parse real estate notifications from Zillow, Trulia, Redfin, and similar services, select the Collect and Parse Real Estate Search Notifications wizard here. Now I'll click the Start the Wizard button. And just like that, the export job has been successfully started. The Save and Export Emails dashboard will now open up to show you all of your email parsing jobs. My real estate spreadsheet is still being created, while all of my previously created spreadsheets are shown down here. I can also just go to my cloudHQ icon here to access my dashboard at any time. When my emails have been parsed and my spreadsheet is ready, I'll receive an email from cloudHQ. I'll open up this email, and now I'll click this button to open up my new real estate Google Sheet. Now I've got a detailed list of every real estate listing in my inbox, including the address, the price, the description, and the URL of each listing. Now my clients won't miss out on finding their dream homes, since this sheet automatically updates every time I receive another real estate notification in my inbox. With cloudHQ's Export to Sheets app, it's easy to keep track of the homes in my area, so I can find the perfect home for my clients. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.